In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you like about 7 secret sites that can help you make $5, $10 on a daily basis on this site. Now, these are freelancing sites, but I'm going to show you a Nigerian site first before I show you other sites. Now, look at this site. I actually showed people this site, and on this site you can perform various menial tax jobs, and that is like following people across social media. Now, what I used to tell people is this: for you to do this task, first of all, open a new Gmail account, open a new Instagram account, open a new Twitter account, LinkedIn account, and then use this site, that account, for this job, because you're going to be following a lot of people. You're going to be liking a lot of people posts. You're going to be commenting on a lot of people posts. You're going to be subscribing on a lot of YouTube channels. You might as well be joining a lot of WhatsApp community. This is all you need to do. So why don't you just try it in a day and just go through all these sites that I'm going to leave in the description button, and then check it out. This might be something that you can just do like for 1 hour daily, and you make your $10, you move out, and the next day you go back again and you accumulate your funds. So the first site that I'll be talking about is Narwhal. Now, Narwhal, you can make as much as over, let's say, 5,000 naira on a daily basis by performing little tasks. Now, if you go to Narwhal, you're going to see, look at the first job on this platform. They're saying join a group. All you just need to do is don't do anything, just join a group. Now, if I join this group, I'm going to collect 14 naira. Very simple. Once you join the group, you screenshot that you're already in the group and you upload on this site, and then the owner of this job is going to give you 14 naira. Look at on my dashboard, I have an earning of 986 naira, and I didn't do anything. This is because I can also make money from referrals without doing anything. Just refer people to subscribe on this Narwhal, and then they perform taxes. From the money they make, you make money. So look at this also. I have a balance here of 1245. So the total is almost like 2,000 naira, and this is because I never did any job. This is just money based on referral. So what if I say, okay, today I want to spend 2 hours on this site, and I can make 5,000 naira from this site? This can just be a simple job that people do from home. Now, if you look at this WhatsApp forex training, they pay 70 naira to join. Imagine that. Now, free class on forex trading, 17 naira to join. Just join the WhatsApp group and you are paid 17 naira. Now look at this: PalmPay, Easy Tax, Fast Pay, 1,000 install bonus, 500 naira. All you just need to do is to install this account. But I used to tell people, when it comes to installing apps, don't put your cards, because some of these apps will require you to put card for you to successfully install, and then later they might withdraw your money. So don't put your card, please. Now the next one is YouTube subscription. If you subscribe, you're going to earn 18 naira. Look at this: wheel mining website setup, 13 naira. So by the time you've done all these jobs, you have 500, you have 15 naira, you have 100 naira. In a day you can make like 5,000 naira from home. And these are other jobs. Now I'm going to move on to the other freelancing sites that can help you make money in dollars. And now I will come to this next one, which is pickoworkers.net. But before that, let me quickly go to Sproutgig. I think Sproutgig, if I get the spelling right, Sproutgig will help you make money in dollars. And I want to see how I can sign in. All you just need to do is this same approach like Narwhal. You do what you have: affiliate referral program. If you look at it right now, we have affiliate referral program. Let me see if I can log in. You have affiliate referral programs, and then you also have follow major people. Just follow people, and then you start earning. Some of these jobs can give you like about $1 per job, $2, $3, $4, $5. Also ensure that if you are doing if you are signing up on an app, don't put your card, please. Now the next site that I'll be talking about, which I'll be leaving in the description button, is survey.com. Survey.com will help you make up to, look at what we have here, earn up to 5,000 naira, 5,333 naira per survey. Just join this community and then you start making money. The link of all this stuff will be left in the description button. I don't want you to miss out on this. Now the fourth one that I'll be talking about is rapid workers. It's almost like people worker. You do some work and you start earning over, let's say, 50 cents, 100, 50 cents, $1 and the likes. These are simple tasks that can help you make money online. We also have micro workers who can earn money and on offers and menial jobs. Now you can get started with ease by just registering. Now when you create a campaign with micro workers, you don't always have to start from scratch. Micro workers give you opportunity to actually earn money in bits also, so you might want to consider. Now some of these sites that I'm going to be sharing, you might not use all of them. It might just be 3 or 4 that resonates with you, and then you kick off. Now this next site that I'll be talking about is Tax Rabbit. It's just all about performing tax, uploading your what you can do on this platform, and then you can get people to seek for your service. The next one I'll be talking about is this Lion Bridge. Is also another site that can help you make money in dollars. But out of all these sites, this is another one that I'll be sharing with you. Remote tax. Start earning today. All you just need to do is to sign up and start doing remote tax. Look at what you have to do. Just sign up here, and let's check an example of the remote tax that you can do. You are paid weekly on your PayPal account, so you have to have a PayPal account on this. Then work on tasks that will be given to you. Some of them might be writing, some of them might be proofreading, as simple as that. So these are simple taxes that you can do that can help you make money in dollars. These are very, very important. In 2024, it's very important that you start doing what you start making money in dollars, as you see the naira devaluating. And then if you make like $100 or $1,000, do you know how much is that? Over 150, almost 150,000 naira, or 1.5 million naira respectively. So this is a period where you start thinking about what are the online business that I can do that will make me money in dollars. Now, apart from all this freelancing side that you might be doing some jobs, you can actually begin to make money in dollars on social media websites. You know, a lot of people used to watch YouTube videos how to make money in dollars, how to do this, but you don't really take actions. Action speaks louder than various intentions. Even when you are not feeling like being online, but because you have an obligation to, that's your work, you just have to come online. Take for instance, there's sometimes that is a time for us to shoot videos, and I don't feel like shooting videos or creating any video, but it's already in the schedule. I have to do that because I have to come up with videos, sometimes on a daily basis and sometimes, let's say, 4 times on a weekly basis. So I just have to do this because it is part of my side income. So in 2024, you need to begin to take serious your earnings, your dollar earning, online earning. This makes job easier for you at the comfort of your home. You know, before I started real estate business, most of my business is majorly online, and sometimes I don't really have to be on the road. You know, people who make money online, life is going to be easier for them. They might even have more tendency of living long, because in Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria, you want to go to work, you want to get to work by 8 a.m. or 7 a.m., you have to leave very early, as early as 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Some leave by 6, some leave by 7. But if you are working online, you work all around the clock. You could work from the comfort of your home by 12 p.m., 3 a.m. Wake up, just fix your time as you like. Like for me, yesterday I did my work till 4 a.m. and I slept. And that's online work for you. You have the leisure of your time, and it's very, very important. So in 2024, begin to look at earning money in dollars. And if you want to make money in dollars in 2024, on YouTube, I created 8 to 12, not even 8. I created over 15 videos. I'll give you a guide on how to start making money in dollars within the next 1 month. I'm going to give you a YouTube channel that is monetized, that has 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. I give you 15 videos that will guide you on earning money in dollars, minimum of $100 from your kickoff from the first second month. So I want you, if you want this kind of business model, click this link to join a group of people who are already earning money in dollars just by having a YouTube channel. So click this link and see me on the next side. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.